This is it. Where is my man from SAI College? Please come here, sir. He doesn't want exposure. He's like, no, I don't want to come up. You're coming up. Give us a wave. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here in my hand is a piece of paper that will change lives this evening. Okay, these will be the new set of queens. First, we will announce the winners of the regional titles. Miss Luzon, Miss Visayas, and Miss Tourism Mindanao.
To award Miss Tourism Philippines Mindanao are Mabel Barceles and Miss Karen Grace Atienza. Philippines Mindanao, Mabel Barceles and Miss Joanna Espiritu.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us start with Miss Tourism Philippines Mindanao. Okay. And the winner of Miss Tourism Mindanao is San Fernando, Pampanga, Revelyn Dungdung. Congratulations, Revelyn Dungdung from San Fernando, Pampanga. Okay, next we will award Miss Tourism Philippines Visayas.
Miss Tourism Philippines Visayas to be awarded by Mr. Antonio Barquez and Miss Karen Grace Atienza.
Okay, guys. And the winner of Miss Tourism Visayas is from, Umingan, Pangasinan, Sofia Grave Galvez. Congratulations once again, Sophia. Okay, we are now going to award Miss Tourism Philippines Luzon.
To award Miss Tourism Philippines Luzon are Mr. Kevin Lim and Jane Sotomayor.
Are you ready, guys? Okay. Here we go. The winner of Miss Tourism Luzon is from Pasig City, Princess Krista Singh. Thank you very much, Princess. Now on to our third runner-up for Miss Tourism Philippines 2017.
To award Miss Tourism Philippines third runner-up are Honorable Mayor Ricardo Padilla and Miss Ruth Corteza.
Ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up is from Nogaleta, Cavite, Yasmin Alvario. Okay guys, on to our second runner-up.
To award Miss Tourism Philippines second runner-up are Mr. Bong Palma and Madam Josie Taliado.
Okay, here we go. And she is from... Saan? Bacoor? Did she arrive today? Okay, she's from Manila, Justine Ortega. from Manila. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to announce our first runner-up.
To award Miss Tourism Philippines first runner-up are Dr. John Weinstein and attorney Aidel Veloso.
Okay, our first runner-up is from Palawan, Charles Actilian. Congratulations, Palawan. And now, for the most coveted award, the Miss Tourism Philippines World 2017.
To award Miss Tourism Philippines World 2017 are Mr. Antonio Abarquez, Madam Amelia Abarquez, and Miss May Antoinette Abarquez.
And the lady who will be announced as Miss Tourism Philippines World.
Miss Tourism Philippines World 2016, Miss Emel Adelia Rosa.
Will automatically win as Miss Crossroads. Guys, who is it? I can't hear you. How about on this side? You are correct. It is Mayor. Congratulations to all our winners. To our new queen, please take your first walk as Miss Tourism Philippines World 2017.